Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Right. In the image for diabetic retinopathy, proliferative diabetic retinopathy, we will see presence of neovascularization at the disc. So this is the disc which shows many blood vessels, which is neovascularization at the disc. Then there can be neovascularization elsewhere. So not just at the disc but also at other sites also you can see the neovascularization. Then on angiography, fluorescein angiography, we can see this proliferative diabetic retinopathy can be seen, which contains many neovascularization is seen along with the hemorrhages.
thank you and thank you for watching.